W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Oh, hi. Hi there. I was just washing my hands. Did you hear me singing? Did you know that a great way to ensure that your hands are properly clean is if you sing a song while you wash your hands? They say you could sing the alphabet song, or Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, or even the birthday song. Now, if you sing the birthday song, I think you have to sing it 2 times. Moms and dads, guess what? Your child may not know how to wash their hands. We have to teach them. So at school, what I do is I'll be right next to the kids while they're washing their hands and doing the motion, and they think I'm super silly. They don't care. They actually like washing their hands because it means they get to play in water. So here's what we do. We get some soap, a couple squirts, and then before we turn the water on, or before they put their hands under the water, we rub them. And I'll usually stand right next to them, showing them this motion of rubbing, rubbing, rubbing. Because if not, they'll just go like this because they love to play in the water. It's really fun. I get it. So then we get the water on, and then we rub and rub and rub. And we can sing a song. I usually let them pick. I think this time will you help me sing Happy Birthday? I have 2 friends that have had birthdays either recently or will have a birthday. So will you help me sing? Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lily. She had a birthday last week. Happy birthday to you. Okay, we have to sing again. Ashton has a birthday coming up this week. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ashton. Happy birthday to you. And my hands are clean. Good job. Thanks so much, friends. I hope that you're washing your hands at home and taking baths, reading books, singing songs. Visit my YouTube channel, Preschool Rocks with Mrs. Smith. Subscribe, be a subscriber, and you will have access to all my newest videos. I'm trying my best to keep our home to school connection. So thanks so much for listening. I love you. You guys are a shining star. I want you to be the best you can be. Bye.